Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video you'll have gotten the gist of who I am, what I'm about, what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video we're getting vulnerable, and as the title suggests, I wanted to talk about dating with a disability. Forgive me if I look and seem nervous and anxious in this video. It's an uncomfortable topic for me to talk about because it's something that, I don't know, I feel like I stopped myself from sharing about this because I felt like, the people that watch my channel are people that are maybe like too close to me, and I feel like they just don't need to know certain things about that side of my life. But this is us being authentic, this is us being true to who we are, and this is me. It's Mumsie being Mumsie, okay? So it's a no judgment zone. It's a safe space, right? So yeah. So dating with disability. From personal experience, it's not easy. It's very difficult. I mean, dating on its own, hella, is just an extreme sport. Now, when you add the element of a disability, it makes it even more challenging. One of the things that I have struggled a lot with is actually believing that somebody actually genuinely is into me and actually likes me, and they're not just dating me from out of pity and feeling like, oh, shame, one about, let me just, and it's something it's a thought that comes to my mind all the time. I've gotten to a point where I'm able to stop it in its tracks. I don't entertain the thought much anymore. It does creep in sometimes, but like I said, it's a journey, and it's part of my journey of self-discovery, actually. Another thing that I find challenging about dating with disability is that, when it comes to going on dates and stuff, you can't really do certain things, right? You are limited. Well, there are certain places that you can't go to, and for me personally, obviously I can't do adventurous things like that. There's a limit to it, rather, let me put it that way. There's a limit to it. And sometimes I feel like, hey, and it might become boring because you do the same things all the time. You can't be as adventurous and spontaneous as you want to, because there's that element of, hey, are we going to be able to do that? Are you going to be able to do that? And it goes back to my first point. I will be in my head a lot, and I will start thinking about the other person. I think about what, I'm like, hey, he really wants to do this, and so, hey, let me just try. I feel bad for not being able to do this. I feel apologetic about it. I start to feel apologetic about my disability as if it's my fault in my mind. And again, I have to stop those thoughts in their tracks, because at the end of the day, there are things that I can do. And of course, when me and this person started dating, they knew that I'm in a wheelchair. I'm sorry about that. I had to pause for a bit. But yeah, like I was saying, I have to stop those thoughts in their tracks, because I have to remember that when this person chose to be with me, they knew that, of course, I'm in a wheelchair, and of course there are things that I probably won't be able to do. They knew what they were getting themselves into, and I can't think for them. I can't assume that they're going to feel a certain way unless they express it, right? Another thing that I have had to learn is that just like, with any other situation, this person probably does not know how it is to be with someone with a disability. And you're going to have to guide them. You're going to have to teach them. And you should try to avoid getting frustrated with their questions, their overprotectiveness sometimes, and understand that they're just doing it out of pure love. And they're doing it because they want to understand and they want to get it, So, from personal experience, I've had to learn, and I'm still learning, the importance of communicating. It's important to be able to communicate and to be open to voicing out what you like, what you want, how you feel. Something that I struggle with is expressing that, I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well if I'm having, back pain, stuff like that. And it's something that happens on a regular. It happens quite a bit nowadays. And that's just because, my life has just changed. I spend a lot of time at work and I don't really rest much, So, of course, my body's going to respond to that and I have to start doing things differently. And I struggle with sharing when I'm not feeling well because I feel like this person, what is he thinking? What is he's probably been, if he tells his friends or he tells his family that, I'm not feeling well again, just kind of like, hey, but I'm metoda, and again, stopping that thought in its tracks. Guys, it's a journey. It's a mental challenge. It's an emotional roller coaster. But one thing that I need to, and now I'm speaking to my fellow women with disabilities, and I guess also men with disabilities, that your partner loves you. Trust that your partner loves you. Trust that they are with you because they want to be with you. At the end of the day, everyone has free will. And if they don't want to be with you, they can leave. But they are still there. Don't allow your thoughts to stop you from experiencing love. Don't allow your thoughts to stop you from opening up to somebody else loving you. Don't allow your disability to define your love life. You're a human. Of course you deserve to have a love life. And if somebody comes to you and says, I want to be with you, and their actions show very well, they explicitly show that what they say is truth, go with it. If they are there and they say they want to be there for the long run, you best believe that. Start to believe that you are worthy of love, that you are lovable, that you are a relationship. Trust that, believe that, because it's the truth. You're human and you are deserving of love. You are deserving. You can become a wife. You can become a husband. You can become the man of the house. You can take care of a household. You can. And if you need to have more support, that's because those are the cards that have been put before us. Okay? And of course life is going to be different for us. Life is different for everyone. But you get what I'm trying to say. Life is going to be different for us. There are going to have to be accommodations and adjustments here and there that have to be made. There are things that have to be considered, But that's okay. That's a part of our lives. But don't let that stop you from experiencing love. Don't stop yourself from going on and just jumping on that bandwagon. Just go for it. Do it. It's nice. It's nice to be loved. It's nice to love and be loved. Allow yourself to experience it. Allow yourself to, enjoy love and dating and relationships. Okay? Yeah, I'm glad I actually got the courage to speak about this. I felt like I wanted to talk about it because it's a part of my life that I haven't spoken about, that I feel it is a part of our lives. It is a part of being human, and I'm sure that somebody can relate. Somebody definitely can relate. It helps to hear somebody who understands speak about their experience. And so, yeah, I am glad that I made this video, and I'm just finding myself and I'm bringing you guys along, and I'm gonna end this video here because my storage is full. So if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are about this video, and share the video with someone who might need to see it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.